Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to sign up for Shopee account. So if you also want to sign up for Shopee account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is make sure you've installed Shop application. It is available both in Play Store and App Store. Once you've downloaded Shop, all you have to do is launch open Shop application. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see the option for get started over here. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be redirected to the browser. Here you'll have to enter an email address in order to create an account. Tap on the email address box, enter the email address. Now you can see continue button over here. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, a code will be sent to your email. All you have to do is open Gmail application. You can see over here a verification code will be sent to your email. Tap on it. You can see the verification code over here. Memorize this code. Now go back to Shop application. Enter the code. After that, your email will be confirmed. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can connect to Google or you can also skip it. If you want to connect to Google, simply tap on the option Connect Google. If you want to skip for now, tap on the option Skip that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. You can skip this too. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see the question over here, what are you shopping for? You can either answer the question, simply tap on the option of your choice, or you can also skip it. Now you have just created a Shopee account for yourself. If you want to complete the setup of your account, you can add the phone number or you can also add it later on. So that is how you sign up for Shopee account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.